students of standard 5th. Today we are going to do unit 9 chapter number 2, that is around the world. We are doing question answers test now. Question A, answer the following. Which tribe of red Indians attacked the travelers? Which tribe of red Indians attacked the travelers? The Sioux Indian tribe attacked the travelers. Which was the highest point of their journey? The highest point of the journey was 7,524 feet above sea level. Why did the train stop the first time? As a herd of buffaloes were crossing the railway track, the train stopped the first time. How many days would it take for the train to reach New York? The train would take 7 days to reach New York. How did the driver manage to pass the broken bridge? The driver managed to pass the broken bridge by proceeding the train at its maximum speed. Now MCQ. The first time the train stopped was because a herd of buffaloes was passing. Turn your page. The bridge fell with a crash into the river after the train had passed through. Who lays a bet with some of his friends to go around the world in 80 days? Mr. Phileas Fogg. How much time did the herd take to cross the tracks? 3 hours. Now we have to match the words with their meanings. Halted, stopped. Passengers, people traveling in buses, trains, etc. Defended, protected from attack. Shuddered, trembled or shook violently. Several occasions, many times. Interruption, break the continuity of. Entirely, completely. Fill in the blanks. This is the story of how Mr. Phileas Fogg travelled with his companion Passepartout. The train steamed through California at full speed. Passepartout, a French passenger, went to see what the matter was. Some of the travelers had revolvers. Now true and false. Mr. Phileas Fogg lays a bet with some of his friends to go around the world in 50 days. False. New York was 3,786 miles away from San Francisco. True. They passed the highest point of their journey, 6,524 feet above the sea level. False. The Red Indians were armed with rifles. True. Read the following sentences. The train steamed forward at full speed. The train headed for the steep mountains. Find 5 more such words from the lesson. Half raising, forced, brown river, winding and highest. From the text, find 3 more describing words like the ones below in the example. Steep mountain slopes means shrill whistle. Deep canyons, train shuddered. Hair-raising curves, winding roads. Find the opposites of the following words from the text. Minimum speed, maximum speed. Moved forward, moved backward. Disappeared, found. Closed, opened. Lowest, highest. In the lesson, you will find many words that describe sounds like whistling, roaring, breaking, crashing, ragging. Can you list the things these sounds are related to? Whistling, the wind, things associated with wind and policemen. Roaring, sound lion. Breaking, sound dog. Crashing, break, drop. Ragging, joke of students. Now this is the picture. From this picture you have to write down the answers here. Where did you go for an excursion holiday? I went to my uncle's village. With whom did you go? I went with my parents. What did you take with you? We took our clothes and food with us. What was the first thing you saw when you reached your destination? I saw a slopy hill when we reached there. What did you like best about the place? I liked the beautiful flowers. How long did you stay there? I stayed for a day over there. What did you miss about home? I missed my pet Bruno. Make sentences using any two new words which you have learned in the lesson. I saw a suspension bridge in a hill station. I heard the shrill voice of a cat frightening a mouse. Now here, which do you think would be more fun, traveling by aeroplane or sailing on a ship? Write why you think so. Here you have to write down by yourself you like traveling in aeroplane or sailing on a ship. Look at the words. These are the group names: troop of soldiers, swarm of bees, team of players, litter of puppies, fleet of sheep, and library of books. Now you have to write down blanks with the help of the group of words. The travelers rested under the clump of trees. The choir sang beautifully. The bunch of flowers was lying on the table. The girl looked up at the cluster of stars. The, the band of robbers escaped. The hunter shot at the flock of birds. Some words describe action, many of them end in ly, means describing words. Many times the words are ending in ly. The girl danced beautifully. The girl slept sound to soundly. The children finished their work quickly. The old man shouted loudly. The boys played quietly. Do your work neatly. I can do the sum easily. Look at the view of the classroom from below. Now answer the following. You have to answer the following. How many doors and windows are there in the classroom? There are 3 windows and 1 door in the classroom. Where is the blackboard? The blackboard is near the door. How many rows of desks are there in the middle and back rows? 24 desks are there in the middle and the back row. Fill in the blank with the help of map given below. This is the map. From this you have to fill in the blanks here. There are 2 trees between the classroom and the playground. The mango trees line the passage from the entrance. Many gulmohar trees are along the side of the playground. Here is the map. From this map you have to write down the answers. What does the dotted line on the map show? The dotted line shows the Ajay's route. What road would Ajay take to get to the boat club? Ajay would take Kasturba Gandhi Marg to get to the boat club. What building is next to the picnic area? The school building is next to the picnic area. What road passes by Ajay's house? Ring Road and Ashoka Road passes by Ajay's house. What other way could Ajay use to get from his house to his grandmother's house? Ajay could use Ashoka Road to get from his home to grandmother's house. Now write. Use verbs like go, turn, cross. Use preposition like across, between, in front of, beside, near, behind, and write how you get home from school. With the help of these words, you have to write down the paragraph how you can get home from school. Which country would you like to visit when you grow up? Which country do you like to go and why? You have to write down here. Here are the 7 wonders and you have to write down the countries. Wonders of the world: the Taj Mahal, the Great Wall of China, Petra, Machu Picchu, Christ the Redeemer, Colosseum, Chichen Itza. Now countries: Taj Mahal, India; Great Wall, China, Petra, Jordan; Machu Picchu, Peru, Christ the Redeemer, Brazil, Colosseum, Italy, and Chichen Itza, Mexico. So here your unit 9 chapter number 2 is over. Complete up till here in your workbook. Thank you.